Good evening, all of you. Namo Namaha. Student, as we know in the previous lecture, we have seen some plural forms of each and every gender. Okay. In masculine gender, when we have a word like balakah, it will become balakaha. When in Strilingam, we have word like mala, it will become malaha. Become nadyah. Or kupi, it will become kupyah. Last consonant plus yah and visarga. And students, in Napunsakalingam, we have seen that plural form is vanani. Vanam will become vanani. Kamalam will become kamalani. So, we are going to start with the third lesson, that is Ke Kurvanti finally. And in Ke Kurvanti, Kurvanti is itself a plural Kriyapad. So what are they doing? वो सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Plural में हमें सब कुछ forms देखने हैं. Also you have to observe some Kriyapadas here. Okay, so please pay attention. We are reading some part of your textbook. Ete or te. So students, in the first picture you can see there are 3 boys and all 3 boys are reading the book. You know the verb for reading. Reading के लिए हमें क्या verb पता है? पठती. Very good. But now they are many in numbers. 2 से ज्यादा है, plural form में है. So पठती will become पठन्ति. So you can observe on the screen, left side में we are seeing that एते छात्राः. These are students. एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे हैं. छात्राः, not बालकः, बालकाः, छात्राः. And next sentence is एते पठन्ति. उनका एक्शन क्या है? रीडिंग का. And बहुवचन में पठती will become पठन्ति. ती का हो जाएगा अंति. Now the question is के पठन्ति. अगर हमें किसी से पूछना है तो हमें क्वेश्चन यूज करना है के पठन्ति. See, in masculine gender singular we have used कह. कह पठती. अभी हम यूज कर रहे हैं के पठन्ति. एक ही बॉय है तो कह, बहुत सारे हैं तो के पठन्ति. This is a question word for plural masculine. And last, our full answer is एते छात्राः पठन्ति. These boys are reading. बहुत ही नजदीक है, साइड में ही खड़े हैं, nearby, and hence I am calling them as एते. Pronoun used here is एते. Students, now see on the right side of the screen. In the picture, we can see 3 horses. So, te ashvaha. Far away in the race course, we have 3 horses. मेरे side में nearby नहीं है horses, थोड़े दूर है, race course पे भाग रहे हैं. And इसीलिए I am showing them from a far away. So, I am calling them te. I am using the pronoun te. Ite nearby. Te far away. Ite nearby. Te far away. So students, te ashvaha. There are horses and they are running, or that horses are running. Te ashvaha. Running के लिए क्या verb है? धावती. But in case of plural, हमें ती के जगह पे क्या ऐड करना है students? अंति. So te dhavanti. Now this is the time to ask a question. So what is the question word? By now you know the question word is ke for plural masculine. So ke dhavanti, te ashvaha dhavanti. एते छात्राः पठन्ति. एते मतलब nearby, साइड में ही खड़ी है मेरे. So एकदम नजदीक वाले सेकंड बेंच पे ही मेरे साथ में ही बैठे हुए स्टूडेंट्स हैं. एंड horses जो है वो बहुत ही far away है. Hence I am using the word te. So te ashvaha, ete छात्राः. Ete, te and ke. चलो. Now we have some more pictures on the screen. वहां पे te और ete यूज नहीं किया है. वहां पे te और ete के constructions आपको create करने हैं. You have to create the constructions or you have to frame the questions, sentences like ete or te for the pictures given below, the 4 pictures. First picture is Chhatraha Likhanti. Some students are writing. Then second is Purushaha Upavishanti. Upavishanti means sitting. Then we have Shakataha Gachanti. Student Shakataha means carts. Bullock carts. Shakataha. बहुत सारी है इसलिए शकटाहा. एक ही होती तो शकटह, like balakah. And the last question, last picture is balakaha pashyanti. There are many boys and hence balakaha, not one. Balakah nahi hai, balakaha. Now the question to all of you is, you have to answer orally. Use ete or te, and for each and every sentence, जो 4 sentence आपको screen पे एकदम below side में दिख रहे हैं, below the screen, you have to frame them in a 4 sentences. जैसे ये है ना ऊपर के, एते छात्राहा एते पठन्ति के पठन्ति एते छात्राहा पठन्ति. Likewise आपको ये sentence को भी frame करना है in 4 sentences. उसमें एक pronoun होना चाहिए, then उनका action होना चाहिए, then question word आप क्या use करोगे वो जानना है मुझे, and also students you have to frame the full answer at the end. चलो, so who is ready for the exercise? This is the oral exercise. Using one sentence, you have to frame 4 sentences like above. Only 2 of you are ready. What others are doing then? It is okay if it is wrong. You have to just try it. Yes, we'll give chance to Riddhi first. Hello, Riddhi. Riddhi from DN Nagar.
Hello, miss. Hello, miss.
Yes, Riddhi. Would you like to try for first one, Chhatraha Likhanti?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Start.
एते छात्रा एते लिखति के लिखति एते छात्राः लिखति.
Wow, fantastic. All the sentences are correct. Very nice.
Thank you, miss.
Thank you, Riddhi. So students, by now you know how to frame the sentence. Riddhi ने आपको idea दे दिया है. Now second question is Purushaha Upavishanti. Frame it in a 4 sentences. Question भी चाहिए, pronoun भी चाहिए, action भी चाहिए. Let's give chance to Kevin. Kevin from Saidham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kevin. Try for the second one.
एते पुरुषः एते उपविशति के उपविशति एते पुरुषः उपविशन्ति.
Very good. सिर्फ पुरुषाहा बोलना है, not पुरुषः.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Kevin. Perfect answers. Thank you. Let's give chance to Hitesh.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Hitesh. Try for the third one. Shakataha Gachanti.
ते शकटाः ते
Very good.
गच्छन्ति के गच्छन्ति ते षटकाः गच्छन्ति.
Yes, nice. Shakataha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Hitesh. Okay, let's give chance to Deepika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Deepika. For the last one, you have to answer.
बालकः के बालकः के पठयन्ति.
First question नहीं, first te और ete.
Okay. एते बालकः
Very good.
एते पठयन्ति एते पठयन्ति एते बालकः पश्यन्ति. Ma'am, what is the pronounce? Pashyanti.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Very nice, Deepika. You have tried correctly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students. So pronunciation for the last word is pashyanti. Sh and y combined. Pashyanti. Okay, so in this manner, you have to solve the questions for masculine gender and bahuvachanam, plural. So we have few more sentences to understand. Here on the screen we have first sentence as Eshah balakah chalati. So students, Eshah balakah, मतलब ये left side में जो भी दिया हुआ है, all the sentences given on the left side are, yes, of course you are right, they are ekavachanam, and on right side we have bahuvachanam. So red में देखो, red color में जो भी highlight किया हुआ है, Eshah becomes ete in plural, Sah becomes te in plural, Eshah becomes ete in plural again, and Sah becomes te in plural again. So if you are using Sah, then it is for singular. If you are using te, then it is for plural. So Eshah balakah chalati, ete balakaha chalanti. एक बच्चा चल रहा है एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे चल रहे हैं जो मेरे साथ में ही है. एते एंड एशा इंडिकेट्स कि दे आर नियर बाय टू मी. सेकेंड सेंटेंस देखना, सह बालकः चलति एंड ते बालकाः चलन्ति. सह मीन्स फार अवे, मेरे से दूर थोड़ा एक बच्चा खड़ा है एंड ही इज वॉकिंग देयर एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर वॉकिंग देयर. Sah and te for far away, just a difference of singular and plural. I hope you are getting the difference of the genders as well as the vachanas. Same for the last one, Eshah chhatrah vadati, ete chhatraha vadanti. And same for the, again for vadati, sah chhatrah vadati and te chhatraha vadanti. Now students also observe the blue color words. In singular, the verb is ending in ti, but in plural, the verb is ending in anti. So chalati, chalanti, khadati, khadanti, vadati, vadanti, hasati, hasanti, patati, patanti, and so on. So you have to remember, if you are talking about a single person, use ti at the end. If you are talking about many persons, plural form, then use anti at the end. Any doubt till here, or let's we move ahead? No doubts? Fantastic. Okay, so here on the screen there is a quick revision. Eshah sah kah for pullingam ekavachanam. Quickly write it down in your notebook. Eshah sah kah. Kah for question word, sah for far away, and eshah for nearby. Ekavachanam. What is ekavachanam? Singular. Quickly write it down in your notebook. Last 5 seconds to write it down. Pullingam ekavachanam, eshah sah kah. If you want to write down the meaning, write it down. Chalo. And we have learned today is pullingam bahuvachanam. For that, there are 3 pronouns, ete, te, ke. Ete for plural nearby persons or people. Te for far away people, and ke is a question word for plural masculine gender. Pullingam bahuvachanam. Ete, te, ke. 5 more seconds to write it down. Okay, let's move ahead. So अभी masculine gender तो देख लिया. Next gender कौन सा आता है? Yes, of course. The next gender is feminine gender, which we call as स्त्रीलिंगम in Sanskrit. तो देखते हैं कि girls के लिए हमें कैसे sentences बनाने हैं. So here on the screen we have in the pink words first the pronouns etaha and taha. So by now you know कि जब भी a add किया जाता है, a से start होने वाले pronoun जो होते हैं, all of them are used for the nearby person or nearby people, nearby group. हमारे पास में ही जो खड़े हैं उनके लिए हम यूज करते हैं the pronouns which are starting with a. एंड त से या स से स्टार्ट होने वाले प्रोनाउन हम कब यूज करते हैं? whenever the people or a person is standing far away from me, मतलब मुझे दिख रहा है, okay, I can see him or them, but वो मेरे से दूर खड़े हैं, एकदम नजदीक नहीं है, तब मुझे उनको डिनोट करने के लिए, उनको शो करने के लिए क्या यूज करना है? प्रोनाउन त और स से स्टार्ट होने वाले वर्ड्स. ओके, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड फॉर द फेमिनाइन जेंडर. एताहा बालिकाहा. एताहा बालिकाहा पहले हमने सीखा था, इसका सिंगुलर फॉर्म क्या था? क्विकली टेल मी. Quickly drop your answer in chat box. Feminine gender singular में क्या था? Yes, correct. The answer is Esha. Esha balika. Now we have pronoun as etaha balikaha. Yes, you are answering correctly. First we have seen Esha balika. एक ही लड़की मेरे साइड में खड़ी है, बैठी है या nearby to me. Then I have to use Esha. But the girl is far away from me. Not a girl. In fact, girls are far away from me. Then I have to use Taha. If girls are nearby to me, then I have to use Etaha. A group of girls nearby to me, then Etaha. A group of girls far away from me, then Taha. How simple it is. Again, Etaha. A starting में आया मतलब? Yes, students, it is nearby. And if the pronoun is starting with ta or sa, then it is for far away. So etaha balikaha. Etaha vadanti. Vadanti means they are speaking, they are saying something. Kaha vadanti. Then again we are asking a question. Kaha vadanti. Masculine के लिए question word क्या था? के बालकाहा. And यहाँ पे है काहा बालिकाहा. और के वदंती, काहा वदंती. Don't forget to add question mark at the end. And then the answer is etaha balikaha vadanti. Okay, right side में देखना है अभी ताहा के लिए. ताहा विद्यार्थिन्यः. Now what is this word vidyarthinyah? So in Marathi and as well as in Hindi we have heard the word vidyarthini, a girl student. A girl student, विद्यार्थिनी ending in e. तो गर्ल्स के नाम हमने ऐसे भी देखे हैं ना स्टूडेंट्स, ई में एंड होने वाले, जस्ट लाइक रश्मि, गौरी, साक्षी. यस, तो ये सब तो आपकी फ्रेंड्स रहेंगी. तो ऐसे ही गर्ल्स के नाम विच आर एंडिंग इन ई, अगर उनका प्लूरल बना देंगे तो वो हो जाएगा यह एंडिंग वाला. प्लूरल विल एंड इन यह. सो इसीलिए विद्यार्थिनी का प्लूरल फॉर्म है ताहा विद्यार्थिन्यः. द नेक्स्ट है ताहा नृत्यन्ति. उनका एक्शन बताया गया है, दे आर डांसिंग. ताहा नृत्यन्ति. एंड देन काहा नृत्यन्ति. अगेन द क्वेश्चन वर्ड इज काहा नृत्यन्ति. ताहा विद्यार्थिन्यः नृत्यन्ति. चलो, नाउ आई विल नॉट हेल्प यू फॉर द लास्ट 4 पिक्चर्स. यू हैव टू आंसर मी. You have to frame 4 sentences for each and you have to answer me. Quickly raise your hands. This time please try. I want new participants to be answered or else I can call the name. Yes, Rushil from Ghatkopar. Riya from Saidham. If you are ready to answer, please unmute yourself. Mehak from Saidham. क्वेश्चन समझा है सबको? On the screen we have 4 pictures. चटकाः पूजन्ति, महिलाः नमन्ति, पिपीलिकाः गच्छन्ति एंड ताः खेलन्ति. बस ये 4 सेंटेंस को हमें अबव पिक्चर्स में जैसे 4 सेंटेंस बनाए हैं वैसे हमें हर एक पिक्चर को 4 सेंटेंस में डिस्क्राइब करना है. बहुत इजी टास्क है. यू हैव टू रेफर द अबव पिक्चर एंड देन यू हैव टू say some sentences. Aryan, yes, Riddhi from DN Nagar.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes,
Start for
miss.
the first picture.
तः चटकाः
ताहा.
ताः
ताहा.
चटका ताः कुजयन्ति का कुजयन्ति
ताहा
का
कुजयन्ति.
काः कुजयन्ति का चटका कुजयन्ति.
अभी देखो फिर से एक बार बोलना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कूजंती बोलना है. कूजंती कैसे प्रोनाउंस करोगे?
कुजयन्ति.
वेरी गुड. एंड ताहा.
यस, ताः.
ओके चलो स्टार्ट. 4 सेंटेंस फटाफट बोल के दिखाना.
ताः चटका ताः कुजन्ति का कुजन्ति ताः चटका कुजन्ति.
चटकाहा.
सॉरी.
चटक. हाँ, चटका इज फॉर सिंगुलर. चटकाहा फॉर प्लूरल. थैंक यू सो मच रिद्धि. रिद्धि ट्राइड वेल. एटलीस्ट उसने ओपनिंग तो किया. चलो नाउ वेदिका इज रेडी टू आंसर. वेदिका फ्रॉम डीएन नगर अगेन. हेलो वेदिका, am I audible to you? Try to say something. We can't hear you, Vedika. Okay, till then let's give chance to Deepika. Yes, Deepika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, try for Mahilaha Namanti.
Okay, ma'am. ताः महिलाः ताः नमन्ति काः नमन्ति ताः महिलाः नमन्ति.
Very good, perfect answer. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, let's give chance to Chandan from Ville Parle. Yes, Chandan. Try for the third one. Pipilikaha Gachanti.
ताः पिपीलिका ताः गच्छन्ति ताः गच्छन्ति ताः पिपीलिका गच्छन्ति.
वेरी गुड. सिर्फ पिपीलिका मत बोलो, पिपीलिकाहा. Very good, Chandan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So students, please observe the difference between singular and plural. If you are saying pipilika, then it is one, a single ant, an ant. But if you are saying pipilikaha, then ants, many. तो वो डिफरेंस अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करो. ओरल एग्जाम भी है हमारा, ऑल्सो रिटन एग्जाम. जैसे आप बाय हार्ट करोगे वैसे ही आप लिखने वाले हो. इफ यू आर सेइंग पिपीलिका, आप पिपीलिका ही लिख के आओगे. इफ यू आर सेइंग पिपीलिकाहा, हा से आपको याद आएगा कि चलो 2 डॉट्स हमें यहाँ पे देने हैं. तो संस्कृत में मेनी टाइम्स जब भी हम ये आहा या ह यूज करते हैं तब हमें 2 डॉट्स यानी कि विसर्ग यूज करने. चलो, हु इज रेडी फॉर द लास्ट वन? ताहा खेलंती. यहाँ पे तो देखो पहले से ताहा दिया हुआ है, तो यू हैव टू जस्ट फ्रेम सम सेंटेंसेस. ओके, लेट्स गिव चांस टू रिद्धि.
Yes, miss.
Yes, last one. Taha.
ताः बालिकाः तः खेलन्ति तः बालिका खेलन्ति.
Yes, तह नहीं, ताहा. क्या बोलोगे?
ताः.
Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you, Riddhi. Okay, students. So from this we get to know that in स्त्रीलिंगम एकवचनम सिंगुलर में जो हमने सेकंड लेसन में सीखा था वो भी मैं रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. दैट इज एशा, सा, का. एशा. क्विकली राइट इट डाउन. ये स्लाइड आपको नोटबुक में मेंशन करनी है. स्त्रीलिंगम बहुवचनम. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. एताहा, ताहा, काहा. Who is ready to tell me the meaning of the same? Who is ready to tell me the meaning of the same slide? English meaning. Shreyas from Saidham. Deven from Saidham. Do you know the meaning of
Yes,
this
ma'am.
slide, Deven? Hello, Deven.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
have you understood? हाँ. एताहा, ताहा, काहा का मीनिंग आपको क्या समझा है?
Etaha means these girls. Taha means those girls. And ka
Very
means
good.
who.
Very good. Who for plural.
Plural.
Very good. Thank you so much, Deven. So see students, this is the understanding. Etaha हमें use करना है for nearby these girls. Taha for those girls far away, and kaha for who, but in plural, feminine plural. Chalo, I hope you have written it. Let's move ahead, and we have to complete the last part, the last gender, and that is neuter gender. We called it as Napunsakalingam in Sanskrit. So again on the screen in pink words we have pronouns etani or tani. Of course, a से start हो रहा है मतलब the pronoun will be used for nearby objects. This time objects, not people. And त से start हो रहा है मतलब for far away objects. तो देखते हैं कैसे यूज किया है. फर्स्ट है एतानी कमलानी. So these beautiful lotuses. एतानी विकसंती. विकसंती मतलब blooming. Yes, they are blooming. And कानी विकसंती. कानी is question verb. एतानी है ending in ani, and hence question word is also कानी. And the final answer is एतानी कमलानी विकसंती. कौन से लोटस खिल रहे हैं? तो हम संस्कृत में आंसर दे रहे हैं एतानी कमलानी विकसंती. ये जो हमारे साइड में ही, पास में ही तालाब में जो लोटस है वो खिल रहे हैं. चलो अभी राइट साइड में देखना है. पर फार अवे द सो तानी पत्राणी. पत्र मीन्स लेटर नहीं, यहाँ पे पत्र मीन्स लीव. इनफैक्ट लीव्स, मेनी लीव्स. पत्र मीन्स लीफ, पत्राणी मीन्स लीव्स, बहुत सारे झाड़ के पत्ते. तानी पतंती, दे आर फॉलिंग. एंड कानी पतंती, वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन, क्या गिर रहा है? अगेन वी आर आंसरिंग तानी पत्राणी पतंती. So you can observe that in Napunsakalingam all the endings are ni, ani. So etani, tani, kani. These are the three pronouns for plural and Napunsakalingam, neuter gender. Now we have three pictures below. Vimanani gachanti, yanani tishtanti, vahanani dhavanti. Who is ready to answer? Again, same. Vimanani gachanti को आपको frame करना है in the 4 sentences like above. Yes, Aryan. Devin from Saidam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Devin. Try for the first
Hello.
one. Vimanani gachanti. Am I audible to you?
Tani. Yes.
Start.
Tani vimanani. Tani
Very good.
gachanti. Kani gachanti. Tani vimanani.
Thank you, ma'am.